This Redchef Ceramic Nonstick Saucepan with lid is a 2.5 quart small cooking pot designed for versatility, safety, and performance. Its innovative features and premium ceramic nonstick coating make it a must-have for anyone who values healthy, efficient cooking. From preparing creamy sauces to cooking your favorite oatmeal or pasta, this saucepan does it all with ease. This in-depth review will help you explore why this saucepan is a worthy addition to your kitchen arsenal. Unboxing the Redchef Ceramic Nonstick Saucepan. When you unbox the Redchef Ceramic Nonstick Saucepan, you're greeted by its sleek, modern design and vibrant green color. The saucepan feels sturdy and well-made, with a premium ceramic coating that is free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. The ergonomic stay-cool handle adds to its user-friendly appeal, ensuring safe and comfortable cooking. Why choose the Redchef Ceramic Nonstick Saucepan? Healthy cooking. The nonstick ceramic coating eliminates the need for excess oil, promoting heart-healthy meals. Effortless cleanup. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Stylish design. Its vibrant green finish and modern design add elegance to your kitchen. Safety first. The stay-cool handle and non-toxic materials make this saucepan a safe choice for families. Versatility. Compatible with all stove types, it adapts to your cooking needs effortlessly. Why you'll love it? Durability. The scratch-resistant ceramic coating stands up to daily use. Eco-friendly. Free from harmful chemicals, it's an environmentally conscious choice. Compact and lightweight, easy to store and handle, perfect for small kitchens. Key features that set it apart. Number 1. Ceramic coating for healthy cooking. The Redchef saucepan features a ceramic non-stick coating that ensures your food doesn't stick, reducing the need for excess oils or butter. This promotes healthier cooking and ensures effortless food release. The coating is also highly durable, resisting scratches and stains over time. Number 2. Stay cool handle for safety. The ergonomic handle stays cool to the touch during cooking, providing a safe grip even when preparing dishes over high heat. This thoughtful design minimizes the risk of burns and ensures a comfortable cooking experience. Number 3. PFAS-Free, non-toxic cookware. Redchef prioritizes your health with a saucepan that's free from harmful substances like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. You can cook with peace of mind, knowing your meals are free from potential contaminants. Number 4. Easy to clean. The ceramic coating not only prevents sticking but also makes cleaning a breeze. Grease and food residues rinse off effortlessly, saving you valuable time and effort in the kitchen. Whether you prefer hand washing or using the dishwasher, this saucepan adapts seamlessly. Number 5. Compatibility with all cooktops. This saucepan works with induction, glass, electric, and gas stoves, making it an incredibly versatile piece of cookware. No matter your kitchen setup, the Redchef Ceramic Nonstick Saucepan ensures optimal performance. Cooking performance. Is it worth the hype? The Redchef Ceramic Nonstick Saucepan excels in even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and ensuring consistent cooking results. Whether simmering sauces, reheating soups, or boiling pasta, the saucepan delivers flawless performance every time. Its 2.5 quart capacity is perfect for small families or single servings, making it ideal for everyday use. Final verdict: is the Redchef Ceramic Nonstick Saucepan worth it? This Redchef Ceramic Nonstick Saucepan is more than just a cooking pot. It's a kitchen upgrade that prioritizes your health, convenience, and cooking efficiency. Its innovative ceramic coating ensures healthier meals with minimal effort, while the ergonomic stay-cool handle and sleek design make it a joy to use daily. The versatility to work on all cooktops, be it induction, glass, gas, or electric, means it adapts to any kitchen setup seamlessly. What truly sets this saucepan apart is its commitment to safety and sustainability. Being free from harmful substances like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, it guarantees peace of mind while delivering outstanding cooking performance. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or an experienced home chef, this saucepan offers the reliability and ease you need for a variety of dishes. For anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience with a high-quality, non-toxic, and versatile saucepan, the Redchef Ceramic Nonstick Saucepan is an investment that truly pays off. It's a must-have for anyone who values healthy cooking, efficient meal prep, and modern kitchen tools that combine form and function. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.